Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Amazon Baby Registry discount. This fantastic program helps new parents save money on essential baby items. To begin, simply create your free Amazon Baby Registry. This allows you to add all the products you'll need for your little one, from diapers to strollers, and then qualify for a special completion discount later on. It's a straightforward process, designed to make preparing for your baby easier and more affordable. To unlock the full benefits of the Amazon Baby Registry discount, you'll need to be an Amazon Prime member. The completion discount becomes available 60 days before your baby's expected arrival date, and it remains active for up to 90 days after. Ensure you've added at least $100 worth of items to your registry to qualify. This ensures you have ample time to plan your purchases and take advantage of the savings when you need them most. When your completion discount becomes available, Amazon will notify you via email. You can then easily access it directly from your baby registry page. Simply browse your registry, add all the eligible items you wish to purchase to your shopping cart, and proceed to checkout. The discount will be automatically applied to your qualifying purchases, making the process seamless and stress-free. It's designed to be incredibly user-friendly. To maximize your savings, remember that the discount generally applies to most baby items sold directly by Amazon, though some exclusions may apply. You can typically use your completion discount across 2 separate orders, allowing you flexibility in your purchases. Don't forget to share your registry with friends and family. This not only helps you receive gifts, but also reduces the number of items you'll need to purchase yourself, further stretching your budget for your new arrival.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.